Hey guys, it's your boy, Juicy VIP. Hit me. Have a nice day. Okay guys, I love you so much. All of you that are watching my videos. Oh, I love you guys so much. I have a surprise for you guys. Yeah, it's kind of big, but I guess it'd be worth it. So if you could see, I made a train layout. You see it? Get all the blankets. You see the train layout? You see it? That is a beauty. It took me forever to get the right model. I'm still working on it, guys. And I'm still working on intros. And I'm not going to make daily videos, but I'm going to show you a really nice pullback car I got from my grandma. It's sort of broken, but I guess it still works. Look at this. It's beautiful, guys. Don't you agree with me, guys? Don't you think it's beautiful? I think it's pretty beautiful. Yeah, it even has rubber tires. You can see that. It's a pullback. Ugh, dang it, it's not working. Wait, right. I'm still working on it. Yeah. So, I don't know what I'm gonna make and show you guys, but send me fan mail. And if any of you guys have trains that you don't want, like HO scale trains, that's what I run. HO scale. If you don't have any trains that you don't want anymore, I can fix them. I can use them on my layout. Heads up, layout is gonna be here tomorrow.